Hello. Kumusta mga idol? Magandang tanghali, no? Mabilis lang to. Just a quick reaction. Hindi ko lang napalampas because I'm watching, no, nanonood ako ngayon sa mga clips and replays ng mga interviews ng mga media practitioners, ng, of course, sa iba-ibang channel. Masakit lang pakinggan yung DOJ spokesperson na si Attorney Rafael Martinez as he was being interviewed by Karen Davila ng ANC. No? Ang pangit eh. Yeah? Ang pangit pakinggan. Sabi niya, we will listen to him. No? This is courtesy of, pakinggan lang natin. This is courtesy of ANC, interview ng ABS-CBN News, interview kay DOJ spokesperson Attorney Rafael Martinez ni Miss Karen Davila.
Morning to you, sir.
Morning, Ms. Karen. Good morning to the viewers. Thank you for having me.
All right. Okay. I think it's important to set the record straight as there are differing opinions on the status of Senator Bato de la Rosa today. This is simple. Does the government of the Philippines consider Senator de la Rosa a fugitive? Do you?
Very nice question and very straight question ni Miss Karen Davila. Pakinggan natin. Kung hindi ka ba ma-disappoint, how do you react sa sagot na ng DOJ spokesperson Attorney Rafael Martinez?
Okay, so the term fugitive is a technical term, Ms. Karen. No? That's not something for us to determine, at least not yet. If anything, if it's the courts who should be able to do so.
Nagpapalusot ang lintik eh, no? The term fugitive is very much technical and it is not for us to determine. It is the court. Okay?
Term fugitive is technical. So right now, what we do know is that there's a standing ICC warrant. That one thing is certain. And we do...
Okay. ICC warrant, that one thing is certain. So, kung certain ang ICC warrant at yung huhulihin mo ay naglalayas at eluding from that particular warrant, how would you call it, Attorney Rafael Martinez, by the way? Ano bang tawag niyo mga DOJ? Kailangan pa ba natin ng i-memorize yan? Kailangan pa ba natin hanapin kung ano ang sino magsasabi ng fugitive? Or you just don't want to say it directly? Or you just playing safe, Attorney Rafael Martinez or DOJ? Napaka-weak naman ng DOJ natin, kaya pala naglalalays-lays lang. Sila Atong Ang, sila Harry Roque, sino pa ba mga wanted natin ng mga si Bato de la Rosa, di ba? Kaya nilalayasan lang tayo because DOJ is very weak indeed. No? Napakawalang kwenta ng mga comment. DOJ, Department of Justice sana, spokesperson ka, Attorney Rafael Martinez. It came from your mouth, you yourself uttered it, that the ICC warrant of arrest is certain and valid, and the person being targeted, the subject person is Bato de la Rosa for that warrant of arrest is eluding and getting away from that specific, particularly that warrant of arrest from ICC. And then how will you call it? How will you call Mr. de la Rosa? Not a fugitive? Do we need to ask for many more opinions? Because it is very technical? Oh, come on. Wala kayong bayag eh, no?
Consider it as valid. Okay, but as to what...
isipin mo yan.
Why do I say that fugitive is not yet a term we can ascertain as of now? Because we understand that there are current petitions pending with the Supreme Court.
Funny ka, Attorney Rafael Martinez. What's the relation of, the petition of Bato de la Rosa to the Supreme Court for that? Kung tutusin, ikaw mismo is you're burning your own words and you're burning your own statements. Kasi the Supreme Court already have decision on the jurisdiction with regards to the ICC warrants kay former President Duterte. 'Di ba? Meron na silang nilabas yan. And ikaw ngayon, gagawa ka na naman ng bago nito. Come on, DOJ so weak talaga pala. That's, totoo pala talaga, because kaya dami nating mga fugitives, sabihin ko na, marami tayong fugitives at napakadali nating takasan pala ngayon. Para sa mga mayayaman, of course, para sa amin ng mga mahihirap, napakahirap siguro napakahirap gawin yun because we don't have special treatment and we don't have special connections at all. One good example for case of humanity yung sa ISIS, 'di ba? May rape, may ano yan, if you can remember it, attorney, check that. Meron siyang mga kaso doon and the case was based on Republic Act 9851. Wala siyang nataguan kasi hindi siya senador. Hindi siya nakatakbo diyan sa Senado. Hindi siya nakapunta sa Kongreso or hindi man lang siya nakapunta kahit sa barangay hall because he is an ordinary person and he is just is an ordinary criminal. Sabihin na lang natin. Kasi kaso niya is crime against humanity din kasi rape, murder, homicide, robbery, and everything. Pero wala siyang nagawa. Kasi hindi nga siya senador. Pero si Bato de la Rosa, kahit na may kaso na, you can still, and you even consider it certain and valid, tapos sabihin mo, hindi pa rin fugitive. Come on, Attorney Martinez. Sige nga, tuloy ka nga. Pakinggan kita.
So in deference to the courts, while we do know na valid yung warrant on the one hand, on the other hand, in deference to the courts, we wait for their determination.
Hell, di ba? It is valid. So, they have their petition. You have the gray area. You have the gray zone. You have the gray time. Can't you, DOJ, not act since the warrant is valid? Considering it, antayin mo pa yun. Kung maglalabas ang Supreme Court ng after 2 years, that will be election time. Come on. Ang hinahina niyo, pinaglaruan lang kayo ng Senado. Kaya pala pinaglalaroan kayo Senado. Kahit na co-equal branch kayo. Judiciary sila. Judiciary kayo. Legislative ang Senado. Kaya pinaglalaroan kayo because mas matindi mag-isip ang naandun. Isipin nyo, ginawa ng teatro yung Senado, hindi nyo pa magawa-gawa yan. It's a clear, napakaklaro. Ito is a diversionary tactic to let Bato escape from NBI's arrest based on the ICC warrant of arrest, attorney. So just one thing, no, maraming salamat. Ito yung interview sa kanya. I just want to give emphasis on the admission of DOJ spokesperson Attorney Rafael Martinez as interviewed by Miss Karen Davila of ABS-CBN News. Thank you very much. No, you verbatim na sinabi na it is certain, ICC warrant is certain, it is valid, but you cannot call Bato de la Rosa a fugitive because anong rason mo? Merong pending petition. That's heck. Wala ka kwenta-kwenta. There's no connection at all. Ano pakialam ng connection? Bakit? Ngayon, sabihin ko sa iyo, Attorney Rafael Martinez, si Harry Roque may kaso. Si Atong Ang may kaso. Kung mag-petition sila ngayon, hindi fugitive si Atong Ang. Ayun pa si Saldico, may kaso na dito. Kung mag-petition sila sa Supreme Court, hindi rin siya fugitive. That's a heck of a reasoning. Diba? Walang klaro yan, ha? Kaya ayos-ayos yun, DOJ, you're so soft and so weak. Kaya ang dami nating mga fugitives. Bato de la Rosa, Atong Ang, Zaldico, Harry Roque, and even small and, hindi masyadong high profile cases na mga kasi ganyan pala kayo. So weak, kaya tinatalo lang kayo ng legislative branch of the government. Lalo na pag maganyang tuso kagaya kay 10K na nag-lead ngayon sa Senado. Tatalunin talaga kayo dyan. Kakainin kayo ng buhay DOJ. Sabihin ko sa inyo. If that's kind of thinking and reasoning and mind and mentality you have. So weak. The Department of Justice, Mr. President PBBM, check your Department of Justice. It's so weak. Wala kayong ginagawa. Diba? Napaka. Kaya mas marami pa ang maging fugitive at marami ang magiging criminals. I tell you.